Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix charging not available liquid has been detected in the lightning connector. So guys, if you're trying to charge your device but you're facing this issue, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply make it sure that the charger which you are trying to connect with your device is dry. So guys, simply make it sure that the port of your device and the connector is also dry, and if they are wet you have to simply keep them in sun for 30 to 40 minutes. So guys, simply do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply restart your device. So guys, simply restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply blow inside the port of your iPhone, and after this you have to simply blow in the connector of your device for one time as well. So guys, keep them dried, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply wait for 30 minutes, and after this problem will be fixed automatically. So guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.